Mastering keywords. Tailoring your resume like a pro. Hello everyone. Welcome to today's lesson on using keywords from the job description. If you've ever wondered how to make your resume and cover letter stand out to employers, this video is for you. We'll delve deep into how to use specific words from the job description to tailor your application, ensuring you catch the attention of your potential employer. Keywords are the specific terms or phrases employers use in job descriptions to define the responsibilities and requirements of a role. When you mirror these keywords in your resume and cover letter. 1. ATS compatibility. Many companies use applicant tracking systems, ATS, to filter out resumes. These systems are designed to look for specific keywords. Using the right keywords ensures your resume doesn't get discarded. 2. Relevance. It demonstrates that you've read the job description thoroughly and understand what is required of the role. 3. Professionalism. Employers appreciate applicants who can speak their language. By using industry-specific keywords, you show that you are familiar with the field. How do we find these precious keywords? Here's how. 1. Job responsibilities. Often listed as bullet points, these describe what you'll be doing on a day-to-day basis. Words and phrases here are crucial. 2. Qualifications and skills. These sections list the skills, education, and experience the employer is looking for. Skills like project management, data analysis, or content creation are typical keywords. 3. Company values. Some job descriptions might outline the company's values or culture. Words like team player, innovative thinker, or customer-centric might pop up. Pro tip: as a practice, highlight or list down the repetitive words and phrases you see in the job description. Those are likely the essential keywords. Once you've identified the keywords, it's time to incorporate them. 1. Natural inclusion. Ensure that the usage of keywords feels organic in your resume. For example, if the keyword is project management, you might say, 3 years of experience in project management, overseeing teams of 10+ members. 2. Stay honest. Only include keywords that truly apply to your experience and skills. Misleading employers can backfire in interviews. 3. Cover letter strategy. While your resume showcases your experiences with keywords, your cover letter can provide context. For instance, in my previous role at XYZ Corp., I utilized my data analysis skills to streamline our sales process, resulting in a 20% increase in quarterly revenue. Tailoring your resume and cover letter with keywords from the job description can significantly boost your chances of landing that dream job. Remember, it's all about showcasing your relevance and value to potential employers. We hope this lesson has illuminated the importance of keywords and how to use them effectively. Best of luck with your job applications, and see you in our next lesson.